this video, I will show you how to manage data in Google Sheet integration. Google Sheets integration allows you to send data, get a random row, and generate dynamic galleries from Google Sheets. Google Sheet integration has multiple functions that are very handy on different situations that involves handling huge amount of data. Follow me as I show you how to set up your Google Sheet integration feature. First, we connect our Google Sheet account. A detailed video tutorial is included on the description box below. In order to sync Google Sheets from our Google account, we need to follow these steps. First, we create our Google test sheet and set our test data. Next, go back to our Google Sheet integration settings and click Manage. Add New Spreadsheet, name it, and insert Spreadsheet link. Copy the sharing link from our test sheet and paste it on the space provided. Click Continue. Once completed, data inside the Google test sheet is now synced with the GPT Connect platform. Let's test the feature by using it in a flow. For this example, we are making a flow that will choose a random winner from the list of names in our Google Sheet data. Starting the flow with an introductory text message. To add a delay on the announcement of the winner, we add a typing effect on the message block. Next, we add content, then actions, select Google Sheets. Tap Google Sheets to select its function. From here, we can see different actions which can be achieved using the Google Sheet integration. For this example, we are using the Get Random Row action to select a random winner for our raffle. Next, select the spreadsheet that we just uploaded to the platform earlier and select the worksheet where our test data are saved. To extract data from our Google Sheet, we need to align the column data into custom fields inside our system. Here we will save name column to custom field reply and number to custom field response. Click Save. If the draw was successful, the output will announce a random winner coming from our test data sheet. If unsuccessful, draw is invalid. Click Publish to save. Time to test our flow. Google Sheet integration has many functionalities that you can explore in managing your saved data. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline on the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.